we will go to the second important pranayama called Kapalbhati. Kapala means forehead, Bha means glowing. So it is a glowing skull. It will glow your skull, means it will improve cellular intelligence, and Kapalbhati is very important technique. Now in Bhasrika, we were breathing into the chest. In Kapalbhati, we are breathing into the belly. Belly is moving to and fro. More emphasis is given on exhaling air, throwing the air out. Inhalation happens automatically. Now let us do that. This is called Kapalbhati. The belly is moving to and fro like this. You got it? Exhalation forcibly, inhalation passively. Now let us do 100 Kapalbhati. It takes only 1 minute for 100 Kapalbhati. Let us do together. Are you ready? This is called Kapalbhati. After 100 Kapalbhati, there is a long suspension of breath called Kevalakumbhaka. In that, Samanvayu becomes balance. Inhalation is Pran, exhalation is Apan. Pranapan, constantly moving, that balance is Saman. And in Samanvayu is very important. Kapalbhati is Jivana Sanjivani, it is life promoting. Even if you have done 100 Kapalbhati, it is one breath, one impulse coming from hypothalamus to the respiratory center, to the cardiac center. So don't worry that you are breathing fast, therefore you lose your span of life. No, on the contrary, like a runner, when they run, whole day their heart rate is slow, pulse rate is slow, respiration is slow. Because during running, large amount of oxygen is supplied to the cells. On the same level, when you do Kapalbhati 100, you are as if running without running. Running could be bad for the joint. Those who run, they get arthritis. There is more wear and tear to the joint. That is not here. In Kapalbhati, you get benefit of running 2 miles within 2 minutes. Without jogging, you are jogging. Without running, you are running. And amazing, because runners are addicted to the running, because running stimulates endorphin secretion, and therefore they become happy. Same thing happen in Kapalbhati. Your nervous system releases endorphin. It is neurological morphine. It brings tranquility. It brings happiness. It brings joy. Whole day you will feel peace, bliss, relaxation. So Kapalbhati massages diaphragm, massages heart. It goes down to the prostate gland. It massages prostate So if your PSA is high, Kapalbhati will bring it back to the normal. Even Kapalbhati is very effective for benign prostatic hypertrophy. Even women having cervical erosion, cervical dysplasia, they can do Kapalbhati. And amazing changes happen within 3 months. Your cervical dysplagic changes will come back to normal. Believe it or not, it works. I have shown it to my client and amazing results I have found. That is why Pranayama is Sanjivani. Pranayama is medicine. The active principle of herb or active principle of medicine is prana. Prane bhutancha bhavyancha prane sarvam pratishthitam prano hi bhagavan matareshwaran. Prana is Bhagavan, prana is creator, prana is vitality, prana is mind, prana is consciousness. Just by doing Kapalbhati, it will do cleansing of your consciousness so that whole day you will feel afresh. Just by doing Kapalbhati, your nervousness will go away, your anxiety will go away, depression will go away, you will feel blissful, peaceful. That is the beauty of Kapalbhati. In between 100 round, 200 round, there is a rest for a minute or rest for 2. So after this rest, just rest for a while and we will do next round of 100 Kapalbhati. It takes only 1 minute. So are you ready now? You have enough rest? Now we will do another round of 100 Kapalbhati. It's very simple. Belly is moving to and fro. Chest is resting. In Bhasrika, we breathe into the chest. In Kapalbhati, we are breathing into the belly like this. When you do 100 Kapalbhati, same way as we have done in Bhasrika, take a long deep breath, exhale out, hold the breath out, suck the anus in, draw the abdomen in and chin lock like this. This is called Bandhatraya, Tribandha. Moola Bandha, sucking the anus in, Jalandhar Bandha, chin lock, and Uddiyana Bandha, abdominal lock. So Moola Bandha, Uddiyana Bandha, Jalandhar Bandha. These 3 bandhas, you are actually pulling your parietal pleura from the visceral pleura, your parietal pericardium from the visceral pericardium. You are creating negative pressure around the heart and it will dilate your coronary arteries. So this is self-induced angioplasty. You are doing your self-angioplasty. If there is a coronary arteries are blocked 80%, 60%, 70%, even 90%, it will automatically open coronary. This is very powerful Tribandha. Moola Bandha, sucking anus in, Uddiyana Bandha, sucking the abdomen in, and Jalandhar Bandha, sucking the chin in. So chin lock, stimulate thyroid and thymus. Then abdominal lock relieve the hiatal hernia, ventral hernia, umbilical hernia and inguinal hernia, and anal lock will stimulate PSA. Your PSA value will be normal, and your sex energy, the people have premature ejaculation, premature orgasm, all those complaints will simply go away by doing these 3 locks. Are you enjoying this? Just do it. Now, we have done 2 pranayama. One is Bhasrika, the bellow breath, and Kapalbhati. We have done Kapalbhati 100-102 round. So do 100-102 round for 1 week. Next week you can do 200-202 round. Then third week 300-302 round. Likewise, within 5 weeks you will easily do 500-502 round with a rest in between. If you do 1000 Kapalbhati, wow, you will sweat. Your blood pressure will come to normal. Your high cholesterol will come back to normal. Even by doing 1000 Kapalbhati daily, you will lose 1 pound. I have seen the patient. They are doing Kapalbhati 1000 and they are losing weight every day 1 pound, just eating normal kapha soothing diet. There is no need to do heavy weightlifting and heavy exercise. That is dangerous to the joint. This is very simple technique. Our ancient rishis have discovered this. Kapalbhati 1000, amazing. It will secrete serotonin, melatonin, acetylcholine. Your depression will go away. Your anxiety will go away. Not only that, 1000 Kapalbhati, you will reduce your weight. This is amazing. Your blood pressure will back to normal, cholesterol, high triglyceride. I am not doing tall claim. These are the experiences of my client in India as well as in here. And they are benefited by Kapalbhati. That is why Kapalbhati is life promoting. Even if you do 1000 Kapalbhati, it is 1 breath.